Welcome, dear student. Welcome to our online class. How are you all? I hope all are okay, fine. Girls, I'm going to start our online class. I'm Binita Roy, your ICT teacher. Uh, ICT, that's mean Information and Communication Technology for class 8. Our today's topics on chapter 5, use of the internet in education and daily life, and lesson 46. Today's topics is the role of internet in solving everyday's problem. Girls, the internet is basically the only tool you ever need to survive in this world. It's the ultimate Swiss knife, actually. The internet is the ultimate information provider that gives you the answer to your problems. Every kind of help you can get from internet. It's more easier to ask what problem could the internet never solve. Just about every problem any person faces in their daily life can be some way solved by the internet. Girls, I told you to read the story from lesson 46. In your lesson, they gave two stories. From story number 1, we get that um, the topics may be emergency ambulance service. They say Sakib father suddenly one night fell sick, and then Sakib called emergency ambulance service by searching on internet, and Sakib saved his father's life. It's a incident 1, and incident 2 was Sophia's father suddenly had to be admitted to a hospital after an accident, and they required a lot of blood for her father recovery. Then Sophia posted a status through her Facebook page, social networking sites, and immediately they got the help, and Bengali communities helps them to collect the blood. That's why we get give the title for story number 2, help post on social networking site. Both are related in health sector, and both get help by using internet. Because we got lots of help from internet. The internet is the ultimate information provider that gives you the answer to your problems. If you want to search anything, any kind of information, you can easily search the search engine Google you can use. And another search engine, by using search engine you can search, you can find out any kind of information like Pipileka, this Bengali website. In our previous day, in lesson 44, and lesson 45, we already discussed about these two search engine. You can get help from this search engine. Our next topics in education, of course, guys. In education we got lots of information, lots of help. Suppose ebook, I said in my previous class, ebook, you can get ebook by using internet. You can get your textbook from NCTV website. If you lost your textbook, you can easily download from this site, and you can easily get your JSC result, SSC result from the Ministry of Education site. Isn't it, girls? Okay. Next point, suppose, of course, it is related with education. www.khanacademy.com. In previous class, I said Khan Academy is a non-profit education organization that provides free video tutorials and interactive exercise. In your lesson, they said Khan Academy is a give learners, and learners get necessary information about this about different service subject from this website. Another Example in your lesson has, that is Wolfram Alpha, www.wolframalpha.com. I think you read this lesson. uh, Wolfram Alpha, this special website, helps to the learner to do calculation correctly. It works by using its vast store of expert level knowledge and algorithm to automatically answer questions, do analysis and generate reports. Guys, here the image of Wolfram Alpha. This special website called Wolfram Alpha is available to help the learners to do calculation correctly. The solution of different mathematical problems are also available on this site. Okay, next we can say in healthcare. Guys, you are well known about the word telemedicine. Of course, you can get health solution, any kind of health from our doctor by online. Suppose modern technology, it's a modern technology, telemedicine. This modern technology has enabled doctors to consult patients by using video conferencing tools. And next point we can say in transport. Anytime you need to go somewhere, you can book a flight, you can rent a car, hire an Uber, you can use the internet, isn't it, girls? Yes, we are well known about Uber. We can easily call Uber service by using our mobile phone and internet, of course. Next use we can say in commerce, trade and commerce, in business sector. There is vast use of internet. In commerce, this refers to buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. Of course, today in this pandemic situation, we use the internet to buy anything. uh, Online shop we are doing now, any kind of products, foods, any kind of toys, any kind of yes, medicine, we can easily buy, and of course using internet. And we can transfer of money and data to execute this transformation transaction. No need to give cash, no need to pay cash. You can easily transact your money by using many apps like Bcash, Ucash, Rocket. Lots of option you have. Girls, you will get this term, these points on your lesson. This topic is Internet Support Center. From page number 65, you will get these topics. What is Internet Support Center? Basically, Bangladeshi mobile company using such kind of system for dealing with their customer mobile call oriented service and data connection related problem. Okay, guys, you will get these topics. And second topic, you will get email oriented service center. They say in these two sector, internet use of internet is huge. Then what is email oriented service? And like, this is very popular and effective service system for the first world, but also several sector of our country using this service system. Example, software company, e-commerce company receive their customer complaint through email and gradually solve them. You can call or you can email and Grameen Phone website, customer care site, or Banglalink customer care site. After reach your email, they can give you the solution. Okay, guys, now we can say um, extra more uh, points in our daily life, how internet help us. If you ever wonder what time it is in any country, you can use the internet. Of course, what is the time of Bangladesh now and what is the time of in London, you can easily find out by searching on internet. World clock, local time, you can easily get. We can say more information we can get. When you need to figure out the current currency conversion for any two currency, you use the internet. You will get many apps, currency converter apps you can download or you can load on your mobile phone, this kind of apps, and you can easily solve it. Next point, we can say, if you want to learn any new language, they you, you, you can take help from internet. Any any new language, English, Spanish, French, Germany, you will get lots of option, lots of offer, lots of course on online on in internet. You will do anyone as you wish. Lots of option, girls, and you can easily learn by staying at home. Suppose we can also say, if any needed, if need to talk with your friend, any emergency, anything, you can do video calls. Want to talk with your friends? Of course, you can easily talk with your friends by using internet. Of course, guys, you can download and play game. Use internet. We can not only for entertainment, we can download many games which is helpful. It's learning game we can download, which really helps for us. Next we can say, oh, okay, lots of option we will get already, girls. Now from this lesson, what will be the common question from this lesson? The common question is, from this lesson it will be, write the role of internet and ICT in solving everyday's problem. Or you can say, you may have to face in your JC exam, explain the benefit of using internet or ICT in solving daily life problem. Answer is same. Or you can say, or question may be in, evaluate the importance of internet or ICT solving everyday's problem. And girls, in my previous class I said how to prepare this question. I think already you got lots of option, lots of point to solve your daily life problem. Already I discuss with you. And if you want to add more points, you can take help from lesson 44. In what I explained in my first class, at least 10 points I gave. You can you can take some points from this list, and at least 5 points you have to write, at least 5, and not more than 10. No need to write more, but it's better if you write 10 points. The role of ICT or internet in solving your everyday problem. Okay, girls, I think you all are now clear this lesson. Okay, girls, hope we will see in my next class. Till then, be safe, stay at home, and bye bye, girls. Goodbye.